I'm Zoe, I'm a third-year student of the jeans school.
I'm participating in the Scotch and Soda recut project.
So we got a box of old samples, which we have to reuse and turn into a new item.
This time you have to kind of recycle your fabrics.
It's like a really sustainable way as well, which is an important factor these days.
A pair of jeans costs so much water to make, and now we're doing it out of old jeans, so it feels good for me to do it.
You have to think differently with designing, like how can I make something new out of an old pair of jeans.
It's actually a pretty interesting way of constructing an item because you get like really different look and feel.
Yeah, I think you can really do so much with the roughness of denim. Yeah, you can really experiment with it.
They're going to be stitches and lines and everything, so I think everybody adjusted their pattern and whole design to the fabrics.
Well, I'm going to make a trucker jacket. It's a lot of different fabrics, so it's just a bit hard to work with.
I'm going to make a blazer out of this. Right now I'm cut them in parts and put them together.
I'm making a puffer jacket, which the sleeves are unzippable. So I took a lot on my plate.
I'm making a sort of 50s inspired Dior bar suit. It's a very tailored jacket.
This project, at first, it was a challenge for me because I'm not used to cut apart jeans.
And I was really doubting what I wanted to do. This time I'm starting to understand why there are different phases, more focused on concept and the idea instead of just the garment.
Yeah, it was difficult, but I managed it.
I worked with denim every day, so it really became a passion for me. And now we're doing it with Scotch and Soda and all the garments we used, so I learned very much from it.
If you learn it with denim, you can do it with any fabric.